Bird and Kip, Episode 1, A Perfect Tree. Bird lived in a perfect tree.
I love my tree,
She said.
It's in a nice, quiet park. And I can see the ocean.
One day, Bird was sleeping. Boom! Bonk!
What made that sound?
Asked Bird. Bird looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep. Boom! Bonk!
Ouch!
Said Bird. Bird looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Crash! Bonk! Boom!
Acorns!
Cried Bird.
Where did these come from?
Bird looked up and saw a chipmunk.
Sorry.
Said the chipmunk.
Oh, that's okay.
Said Bird.
What are you doing with all these acorns?
I'm moving in.
Said the chipmunk.
You're moving in?
Asked Bird.
Yes,
Said the chipmunk.
I'm moving into this hole. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor.